Welcome, Blue-Orange Techies. Ever wondered how people keep everything in order at work, like customer info or sales data? Well, Salesforce apps are like magic boxes that help with that. Let's dive into what these apps are, why they're awesome, and how you can make one. It's super simple, promise. In Salesforce, an app isn't something you download on your phone. It's more like a special area in Salesforce where you can see everything you need for your job in one place. Think of it as your personal workspace with all the tools and info you need. Why do we use these apps? Well, they make our lives easier. Whether you're selling products, helping customers, or planning a marketing campaign, there's an app for that. It keeps everything organized so you can focus on doing a great job without losing track of important stuff. Step 1: Accessing Setup. First things first, click on the little gear icon at the top corner. This is like opening the door to the place where you can build your app. Step 2: Entering the App Manager. Next, find App Manager in the menu. It's like going to the room where all the magic happens for creating apps. Step 3: Creating a new app. Click on the New button to start making your app. It's like saying, hey, I want to make something cool. Step 4: Choosing the app type. Now, choose what kind of app you want to make. Lightning apps are the shiny, new type with lots of bells and whistles. Classic is the older kind. Most of the time, you'll want a Lightning app. Step 5: Filling in app details. Give your app a name, pick a logo, and write a little bit about what it does. This is like drawing the blueprint for your app. Step 6: Adding tabs and features. Next, add tabs to your app. Tabs are like rooms in your app's house. Each one has different stuff, like customer info or sales data. Step 7: Setting up access. Decide who can use your app. You might want it just for the sales team, or maybe everyone can peek in. Step 8: Reviewing and finishing up. Final step. Last step. Check over everything to make sure it's just right. Happy with it? Click Save, and voila! You've just made your own Salesforce app. And that's it. You've learned what Salesforce apps are, why they're super helpful, and how to create one all by yourself. Now, imagine all the cool apps you can make to help your team do their best work. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides. See you next time. For now, this is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep building.